Good evening, students. Today we discuss about palindrome string. A string is said to be a palindrome string if its reverse is also same. For example, dad. If we read from left to right, then also it is dad. From right to left also it is dad only. Noon, madam. So these are some examples of palindrome string. Today we will learn how to make a program for the palindrome string. We take an input of a string. Now we need a variable for loop, one variable for length. So int I for loop for length. We will find the length by applying length function. Now we need an extra string to store the reverse of this string. So suppose string R and starting value will be null string. This is a null string. Null string is a string with length 0. So in R we will store in reverse order and in the end we will check both are same or not. Okay. So here two different methods are there. One by one we discuss both the methods. The first method will run a reverse loop for I equal to L minus 1 because the last index of any string is L minus 1. For example, this noon length is 4 but indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3. So we will start a loop from 3 to 0. L minus 1, 2, 0, I minus minus. Extract the character one by one. For that we will use caret function. Char ch is equal to s dot char at I. Then add this in a variable r. R is equal to r plus ch. Okay. So one by one we are adding in r. R is a null string. First we will add n, then o, then n. Okay. So reverse will be prepared in the r. Now in the end we can check R and S both are same or not. So if R dot equals, even you can use equals ignore case function also. R dot equals S is equal to true, both are same, then it is a palindrome string. S not palindrome. Simplest method. One more method is there. We can run the loop in increment order also. Like in place of this, we can have another loop for I equal to 0, I less than L, I plus plus. We will extract the character in the same way. But in this method, here R is equal to CH plus R. That is the important change. In both the line you can compare. In this we are using R is equal to R plus CH. Why? Because the loop is in reverse order. Here when the loop is in increment order, you will write CH plus R, means extracted character you will add in the left side. And this all will be same. Just we can have a testing also how these two different lines are different from each other. When we write R is equal to R plus CH, and suppose if you are writing R is equal to CH plus R, how both the lines are different. Let us take example of noon only. First time when n is extracted from this loop, n is extracted, so R is equal to R is null, only n will be added. Okay, here I is 0, n will be extracted, R is equal to only n. In this, the next value of I is 2, O is extracted and O is added right side. That means this will make NO. Here I value is 1, this O is extracted and O will be added left side. ON. R plus CH, next O is extracted. So NOO will be added right side. Here O will be added left side. OON. In this method, R plus CH, N will be added in the right side, NOON. And in this method, N will be added left side. So NOON. You can say both the way, you will get the reverse. So string provides this facility. You can add the extracted character in left side also or right side also, depending on the situation. So both the way the program is correct. If your loop is in decrement order, this will be R plus CH. If the loop is in increment order, CH plus R. So this is the parent string. I hope it is clear.